Why is that, Keith?
This old textbook is dry and uninteresting. I can't stay focused on my readings.
Well, why do you suppose that is?
This book just doesn't speak my language.
Don't worry, Keith. I have something that might help you out with your problem. Have you ever heard of the digital software called Science Probe from Glencoe?
No, Mr. Wick. What are those?
Science Probe consists of 2 parts and is an interactive learning software that is geared towards 9th and 10th graders just like yourself.
Cool. But what does it have that my textbook doesn't?
It contains student-led activities, step-by-step experiments, and explores the 4 major science disciplines, including chemistry, physics, biology, and earth-space science.
That sounds awesome. But how does the Science Probe keep me interested in learning?
Science Probe offers a coordinated approach to science education by inviting students to become actively involved in their learning process. Unlike your textbook, Science Probe 1 and 2 are filled with exercises that make science both interesting and challenging to students.
Gee willikers, now you're speaking my kind of language.
Well, Keith, after all, you are a digital native.
A digital native? What's that?
A digital native is a term for someone who has raised alongside technology and has immersed themselves in it.
That sounds great. When are we getting the software?
After class, why don't I go talk to some of the other teachers and faculty and see about obtaining the Science Probe software for our classrooms?
Yeah, that sounds super!
I think this is a great new beginning for all the learners who need more than just a textbook and lecture to stimulate their learning.